is Kiran, and today I'm going to show you how to make the KMM. Fold it in half. You need an A4 piece of paper. Fold it in half this way. Unfold. Then fold this to the middle. Not really quite. Put that top part a little bit after the middle. And do the same thing on the left side. You don't really have to put the left one on top of the right one, but that's how I do it. Then fold the bottom to the top and then fold it down. Then you fold this part to the middle to make the nose thicker so it fly better. Do the same thing on the other side. Then fold it to the middle again. And the other side again. So you'd have this kind of shape. Then you fold it down like this and see that the front part of the airplane is really thick, and that's what we need for good flying. Then grab the top and fold it to the bottom. And do the same thing on the other side. And then you have it. Just need to kick these parts in. Throw it. It'll go really far. Well, you need to use your full power for it. So that's how you make the KMM.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.